Good morning, guys. What's up? Say something in the chat. I want to know who's here. Hello po. Good evening. In the Philippines. Can you guys hear me? All right. Let's see here. XRP, man. Anong oras na dyan sa Pilipinas? 8 p.m.? Oh, snap. Close that window real quick. Oh, man. It's so early. Kakap pa lang ako eh. Just to make sure na nagwo-work to. Let's see. 8. Oh, sige. 8:01 na pala dyan. Kumusta na kayo? Are you guys, are your bags loaded? Nakabili ba kayo dito? This was accumulation area right here. Let's see where's something at. Right here. Bago siya mag-break dito. Dapat dito na kayo nakabili. Hey guys, welcome. How's studying, Danny? Study hard. That would be my first advice of the day. Study hard. Let's put the music on. Where's my music at? Let's see, there it is. Okay lang volume. Hindi masyadong malakas yung volume. Alright guys, welcome. If you're tuning in, welcome. Sabihin nyo lang kung anong gusto nyong link yung mga crypto. Sorry guys, Taglish ako eh. Ay. Hello guys, welcome. Don't forget to like the video. So if ever na bigla na lang ako mag-English. Sorry. Tagal ko na dito sa sa US. Dapat dito kayo bumili while it was under this price range right here. Under, what is that, 146. Pwede pa rin ngayon basta long term kayo kasi price target nito wait lang, let me see here, let me delete that. This maybe for 1 week, baka mga $1.97, $2, mga ganyan price target niyan. So even if you buy in this area right here, bago siya mag $2, makaka-profit pa rin kayo dyan. Let's see. Ano pa? Let's look at some other crypto. BTT. Diba sabi ko, last support is right here. The last line of support is right here. Pero ang nangyari, nag-bounce siya kasi it broke this support right here. Tapos nag-bounce it went down right here. And then ngayon, so let's look up that really close. So like that. Ang nangyari dito, it went through the support. It held right here, and then ngayon went up to retest this support. So baka mangyari, bumaba ulit siya. Basta as long as it holds this support right here, the very last support, okay lang yan. Tataas pa rin yan. But let's say another scenario is kung ma-break nitong resistance, kasi ngayon resistance na to itong taas na to, this line right here. So ang mangyayari, if it breaks that resistance again, right, let's say tumaas siya dito, this my thing. So tumaas siya dito, somewhere around here, bababa ulit siya to retest this now kasi resistance na siya So let's say it breaks the resistance, tataas yan, tapos babalik to go back down to retest. Once it breaks a resistance, it becomes support and then go up again. So for instance, ito na-break niya yung support, bumaba siya, it held this support, tumaas ulit to retest that what is now a resistance. So if it goes up again above the resistance right here, then this is a really strong support right down here, and then all it's gonna do is just bounce here and then go up. Aling BTT or XRP? Altis. Let's go to Win real quick. Zoom out. So Win got rejected. Win got rejected right here in the resistance. So as you can see, it went up and then rejected here sa taas. Bigla na lang siyang bumaba ng malaki. Tapos it went kasi, so this was here, let me show you guys. This is the uptrend right here, right? Resistance, and then trade sideways bago siya mag breakout again, go up, hit another resistance right there, then trade sideways, rejected, went down, right? So this is the resistance. Since it broke this resistance right here, went up, got rejected, went down, then as you can see right here, it went down. Since this resistance wasn't as strong, okay, XRP, tignan ko, check ko lang. It went down, and then it went back, it kind of retested this support or resistance, didn't make it, rejected again, then it went down. So it retested this right here. What is that? 200? What is that? 200 MA? Yeah, 200 MA or EMA. Held the support right there. Okay, retest, bounce up again to this resistance. Rejected. Okay, kind of trade sideways. Broke through the 200 EMA. Went down to the support. See, that's a support. And then finally nag-bounce siya. Okay, but still na-reject siya sa resistance dito, and then it's gonna trade sideways until it retests again for that resistance, and finally baka mag-break na siya. Alright guys, that's Win. Let's take a look at May nakita akong may nagtatanong about KCS. Maganda ang KCS coin. Naka-jump in ako dyan, mga $5. Dito ako nag-jump in. Somewhere around $5. Ngayon, it went up as high as $20. Hindi pa ako nagte-take ng profit, guys. Pero this is a double tap. Let me see here. This is what you call a double tap. So, double tap, bababa pa siya. Pero may support right there. So, it could go. So, the way it's going is hit the resistance. Okay? It's going down. It's gonna go up a little bit, pero bababa yan. So, it's probably gonna retest this 200 EMA. All right. Let's go back to XRP. So, ang nangyari dito, let's look at the snap. Hold on one second. So it did go down to retest the support. Our support was around 141. See, my wick, this wick right here was the retest. Kaya sabi ko sa chat, mabilis yan mag-retest bago bilhin ulit ng mga investors. So this was the resist or the support. So as you can see here, let me show you. So support, touch here, and finally a breakout. And then the retest was right here before resumptioning off to what is that, 170 now, $1.70. Paano po gumawa ng resistance and support? So support and resistance, let me show you guys. Let me just clear all this up. So resistance is always yan sa taas, like right here. So let me zoom out real quick. Let me go down right here. Okay, so resistance, guys, is let me see here if I can draw a line right here. As you can see, it also matches the yung Fibonacci retracement. So kung may trading view kayo, mas maganda yung nila dito kasi marami silang feature na pwede mong gamitin. So for example, kung I don't know if you guys can see it, pero let me see if I can. Can you guys see that? Tignan ko. Like, can you guys see this little tab right here? Yung mga tabs dito. So you can click on these tabs, and they made it pretty easy para ma-access mo lahat ng mga features nila. But you can always go to the extra other tabs that they or what do you call it, like extra tools na pwede mong gamitin. And then you can just hit the star right here on the side para ma-favorite mo. So lahat ng favorite mo nandito na. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-search for it all over again. Diba galing ko mag-Tagalog? Good evening. Good evening, guys, for the ones that are just joining in. Good evening. Ang sabi sa Discord natin. Let me see here. Wait lang, guys. Okay, so support and resistance. Sorry, get distracted easy. So support and resistance, guys. Let me show you something that probably not a lot of you know this, pero here's why it's important na alam nyo yung support and resistance. So dito, right here, can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. So dito, this is where the breakout happened sa XRP, right there. This mahabang line, this long line here, is the 3-year resistance na kailangan dapat XRP breaks it. Kasi this is the most important resistance that XRP had to break para bumago yung trend niya. So right here is the downtrend. It's 3 or 4 years downtrend. Dito siya. So resistance, the way you would draw your line is the touch of candles. So these little red and white and red sticks right here, we call them candles, and the long lines above it and below it are called wicks. Okay, so may ibang time frame din yung mga candles. There's 1 minute, may 5 minutes, all the way to daily, all the way to weekly, monthly. So depende kung anong mas easier para sa iyo, like for you to see the resistance and support, yun ang gamitin mo. So for example, ang ginagamit ko ngayon, daily candle, para mas easier siya tignan for if you're looking for like yung the whole year of price action, diba? So yung resistance nito is all the way from here back in May 2018. There's a touch of candles here. Well, this one didn't really go all the way through there, but eventually dito nag-change. Dito nag-change yung trend niya. Let me delete this real quick. Let me show you guys. So dito nag-change yung trend ng XRP. Okay, let me show you guys. So right there, dito nag-change yung trend ng XRP kasi 3-year downtrend to eh. So 3-year or bearish movement. Tapos once I think this was when alam niyo yung Wall Street bets pump and dump, pretty much. I think dito nangyari yon. Oh wait, actually let me see here on 16 November 20. No, actually this was the beginning of XRP's bullish movement. It started back in November of 2020. So umakyat siya, tapos straight sideways, and then the lawsuit. Ito yung lawsuit na nangyari, right? And then I think it went down all the way to 17 cents. Dito ulit ako nag-accumulate around these prices here, all the way here. And then the last time I loaded more is around 55 cents. Pero dito ako nag-accumulate. Let me show you guys. Your accumulation period was right here in that circle. Dapat dito na kayo kasi well, kung bago pa, like if you're new and you don't know too much about charts, ito lang ang kailangan mong malaman, yung trend. learn trends. So once the trend change, right? Once the trend change, ito na. So you see how I'm drawing my lines? Kahit ano, ganyan lang. You can see the candles. So if it's support, it's the bottom of the candles. Make sure that your line touches the bottom of the candles. Touch there, touch there, touch there. You know, oh, let me go back here. So ito yung downtrend, 3-year downtrend. Tapos umakyat siya, right? So ito yung lawsuit. So ang nangyari here is it finally broke this resistance. It went up, trade sideways, it went down, and retest the support. It always come back down to retest somehow. So ang mangyayari dito, okay, ang mangyayari dito, one of these days, guys, keep in mind that kahit na umakyat siya ngayon and price target niya is at is $2, magre-retest ulit siya. Babalik siya dito sa line nito. Kasi bago na yung trend line niya, right? Yung trend niya. So, a touch here and then there is a touch here pero nag-breakout ulit, right? Nag-breakout ulit dito. You see that? Touch there, rejected, trade sideways, and went up eventually. Tapos na-break niya itong resistance, and then umakyat ulit. May resistance dito, pero it didn't take long, and then umakyat ulit siya. But let's say na I think what's gonna happen is it's gonna hit its $2 mark, tapos bababa ulit siya. Retest this resistance here. So mangyayari, and just the way I see it is it's gonna hit this resistance here kasi may resistance dito. Yung Fibonacci retracement tells you support and resistance as well. So mangyayari dito, akit siya, it's gonna hit this right here. Maybe it goes down a little bit to test this one, but it's eventually gonna go up again, and then price target niya is $2, and then we're gonna see a drop. So if you miss it down here, you can always wait, pero hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal to mangyayari. Let's see what else. Good evening. Good evening. What's up, Christian? Sir, what do you think today can reach XRP? Today, since it's going up, I mean, these are big candles. Let's see here. I think it's gonna trade sideways until it hits $2. So maybe baka it's gonna stay around $1.80 and trade sideways. Kind of like yung nangyari dito. So let's go back to 4 hours. So right here, it's probably gonna hit, I don't know, actually it might even go to $2 today. Hindi natin alam kasi baka next week nasa $3 na yan eh. Depende lang talaga kung how all the whales and all the big investors feel. There's a lot of reasons why it can go up fast, and there's a lot of reasons na bakit siya bumaba ng bigla. Oo, pwede rin. Pwede ka take profits at $2. Kasi like I said earlier, kailangan talaga to mag-retest for healthy So yun ang correction na makikita nyo muna. Yung lang, hanggang dito lang yan. Pero he's not gonna go lower than that. I think if it does go lower, see, let's go down here. If it does go lower, baka dito na lang yan. Minimum $1.10 ulit. Yeah. Kasi That would be like let me delete my um, all right. So let's look at the daily ulit. So trend line, kind of change it to a little bit right there. Basta hindi siya so ito yung trend line ngayon, right? So it went up, it went all the way up. So this would definitely need to retest, right? So if it, let's say hit $2, nag-retest siya. Yung pinaka unang support would have to be 1.80, 1.54. So that means this also plays in the support now, since this used to be resistance right here, breakout up, and then now it becomes support. So first sign of support is 180, 154, and then this one. So let's say it's, I don't know, somewhere around here, 143. It could be up here too. It really just depends sa time na yon. But the last support that we need to for XRP to remain bullish and uptrend is it needs to stay. This would be the last one, the last support. This line right here to remain bullish. After that, bearish na siya. Bear market na siya. Pero matagal pa yan. Kasi tignan natin yung BTC dominance, di ba? So BTC dominance, what it does is it tells us the total market cap for Bitcoin. So let's go to, wait lang guys. The total market cap for Bitcoin at the moment is 1 trillion, or 1 trillion.1. And then if you go back to the total market cap for the altcoins, it's steadily going up. So yeah, maganda yan kasi altcoins are taking over pretty much. That's why everything is going up for altcoins. So the only way you can expect the biggest correction na so the biggest correction that you'll expect for XRP, kind of like what happened here. Let me see here. Let me show you guys. Kind of like this bear market right here. This is the bear market. 3 years is when Bitcoin finally reaches its top. So Bitcoin's at all-time high right now, $63,000. Right? So when Bitcoin finally reaches its top, ang mangyayari dyan is it's going, let me show you guys what's gonna happen once Bitcoin reaches its top. Di ko alam kung 70,000 or may mga nagsasabi din ng 300,000. You never really know. Pero let's just say Bitcoin tops right here, and then what's gonna happen is Bitcoin's gonna go down. It's gonna go back up, right? So it's gonna go back up twice and then come crashing down. So mangyayari sa mga altcoins, okay, let's just say XRP, kasi ganun din. So sa lahat ng altcoins, ang mangyayari sa altcoins, magrarally lahat ng altcoins. Everything magrarally lahat sila. And then it's gonna rally for baka magrally sila ng 1 week, 2 weeks. You never really know. And then eventually come crashing down as well. So once Bitcoin, maririnig mo yung mga news, lalo na ngayon 2021. Marami kang news na maririnig. and then they're gonna tell you, oh, Bitcoin finally reached the top, blah blah blah. Yeah. Let me answer some some questions here real quick. Let's see. Good evening. I see. What's up, everybody? Let's see here. Pull back pa yung we could see a little bit of pullback, sa around 1.8, pero malit lang. Ilang one day pullback or something like that. Tapos kasi price target talaga niya $2. May mga ibang technical analysis din dito na sinasabi nila above $2. So sabi nila $3 daw next week. So you never really know. Let's see what else. Retest. Retest is when it goes down again, or when it goes up again. Actually, it depends the situation, right? So when it retests, kind of like this, for example, right? So we break out here, we break out this resistance, we break out of this resistance, right? So tumaas na siya. Tapos, kailangan talaga ito mag-retest. So, mangyayari dito, if it reaches the price target, I don't know if it's, $2 or $2.50. Pero, whatever price target it has, kailangan talaga niya, mag-retest ulit. So, retest is gonna retest the broken resistance to determine if it's a strong enough support. There you go. That's what the retest is. Same thing for a breakout to the downside. Okay, so let me show you what a breakout to the downside would be. So let's do this. So right here, this looks like a support right there. There's a touch here, here. So this, once it broke out right here, it came down to retest the support, right? Kind of like what our example right up here. Went up, came down, retest the support, it bounced. So parang malakas tong support na to, and then the SEC lawsuit happened, bigla na lang siyang bumaba, right? So that support is a breakout to the downside, and then there's another huge, this is a big support right here, nagbounce siya, and then it went up to retest the broken support right here. So eventually, kailangan talaga niya mag-retest. So same thing right above here. Broken resistance, it needs to go down. So eventually, one of these days, guys, bababa ulit siya sa line na to. Di ko alam kung saan. Could be here, but it's somewhere around that line. Gets nyo? Oh, good evening. It's so early here. Pero lagi na lang ako kasi nagigising na maaga. School teacher ako dati. Technology teacher. But I retired. Nagtitrading na lang ako lagi. Maganda sa trading view, pwede mo siyang gamitin for trading. Pero kailangan mo talaga kailangan mo mag-link ng account. So let me show you what trading view. So let me go back down to 4-hour time frame here. So here, let me show you guys real quick. You see this? You guys see this? This candle here? That tells you a lot also. Each candle tells you a story. Okay? Bedtime story. Ganon. No, I'm just kidding, guys. This candle here. Right. I can't even draw. Hold on. I'm just gonna draw a circle. How about that? This candle here is called a indecision candle. So basically, sellers and buyers are undecided on what to do, pretty much. So, mangyayari dyan, baka bumaba ulit. So, if the next candle, okay, so this is a 4-hour candle, mangyayari dyan, after, let's say, it stays like this for the next 3 hours and 23 minutes, undecided. Hindi alam kung tataas, bababa. So this is what I call indecision candle. So mangyayari dyan, if the next candle, the next one that happens is red, for sure bababa siya to retest that support. Okay. If it's green candle, tataas siya. Depende. So, kailangan mo talaga maghanap ng confirmation dito. Kung tataas, bababa. So, you see how it's turning red, white, red, white, red, white. Indecision talaga. So, kung undecided kayo, kung magja-jump in kayo ngayon, just wait. Wait for confirmation dito. That's why patience pays off. You just have to wait, and that's one advice na I can give you guys, not a financial advice, is to learn first bago kayo mag-jump in. Kasi pag nagkamali kayo, bigla siyang bumaba. You know what happens after that. Pero minsan, we get lucky. We jump in at the support, bigla siyang tumaas, tuwang-tuwa tayo. Then, hindi tayo nag-take ng profit kasi we feel like, it's gonna go up again, but it's really not. So, bigla siyang bumagsak ulit, and then you're panicking, panic selling. Diba? Diba yun? Yeah. Let me delete all my... So, let me clear all this up. If I can find it, there we go. Start fresh. Let's see. Dapat Yeah, you can. I don't know if I answered that question already. Planning to buy XRP this time. Hintayin na lang muna. Yeah. Wait. Kasi di natin alam kung bababa XRP here. So, wait for the next candle, 3 hours and 20 minutes to see if XRP goes down. May support dito eh. Let me show you guys. Let me draw my line. Where you at? Oh, ito pala. Alright. Four-hour chart. Oh, wrong one. So it might go down like that before it goes up again. So there's always a buying opportunity. Kaya maghintay lang to look for the buying opportunity. But first, learn your candles, kasi the candles will tell you what's happening in the market, right? Remember, I don't know if you're not in the Discord, please check the Discord out. We always provide some type of guidance there, guys. So right here, we were waiting for this breakout right here to the upside, and then we were also waiting for this, and then it broke out finally. Nag-retest dito. Right there, and then it went up again. So when XRP goes up like this, and it's going to continue going up until, so you're gonna notice this. Let me see here. This right here, guys. This right here is eventually gonna look like this right here. Like parang maliit na ano na siya. Kasi sobrang taas na niya eh. But you have to keep in mind, we're always gonna have big rallies and then big drops. So wag kayong matakot sa mga big drops. Alright? Kasi it's very healthy for XRP, for any crypto actually, to go up and then to have a big drop. Healthy yun. If it's gonna stay in a bull cycle for like 1 year or something, it needs to have consolidation, big drops, consolidation for maybe weeks or months. You know, sometimes it's gonna consolidate for a long time, and people are gonna get, you know, tired of waiting, or there's a shakeout. You know, you're gonna panic sell. You think it's gonna drop all the way, but it's really not. Those are shakeouts. Tapos, bigla na lang siyang tataas. So expect that now on XRP. So if you're here, expect that yan ang mangyayari talaga. Kasi yan ang nangyayari sa Bitcoin eh. Let me delete my lines here. All right. Let me show you Bitcoin's history. Bago siya nag-breakout to $63,000. You know, let me tell you guys something. Back in 2012, bumili ako ng Bitcoin. $100 worth of Bitcoin. Marami na yun. I had a lot of Bitcoin. Nangyari, ginastos ko sa games. Mahilig sa games. Eh ngayon, $63,000 worth per one Bitcoin. Imagine that, guys. So, paano pag isipin mo rin, paano pag XRP is worth $10,000 one day? So, hold something. Always, build a long term, guys. Bitcoin's history, let's see here. I think dito yon. Dito siya nag-consolidate for a long time. Right here. So from January 10th, 2021, all the way to February 8th. So almost a little bit over a month, guys. Imagine holding up and down for one month for XRP to go up or something, to do some kind of movement, right? I mean, here was a long period of time. Kasi right here was 3 to 4 years. I waited for a long time. I mean, ako, nakalimutan ko na yung XRP ko dito eh. 2020, yeah, dito, right here. Dito ko lang napansin ulit ang XRP ko. Nasa Binance pa yun. Hanggang sabi ng Binance, hindi na kami pwede kasi US citizens kami. So, we had to move our XRP. So, tinan-transfer ko na lang lahat ng mga holdings ko sa Binance, tapos sa wallet ko. Yeah. Yeah, man, imagine holding since 2017. May, I think I started around May of 2017. And then holding for that long. So, and then finally, right? The accumulation phase, right? Bili lang bili, 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 right here, buy, 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 buy. And then finally, nag-pay off na siya, right? Hindi pa ako I haven't sold a single XRP ever since na nag-accumulate ako dito around here. Hindi pa ako nagsisell. Because I know the trend change. So, alam ko na, okay, so here's another way, another reason I know the trend, can't even talk. Let me know if I'm talking in English like a lot more. So I knew that XRP was gonna go up because of this inverse head and shoulder. So here's another thing you can learn. Inverse head and shoulder. That's the shoulder right there, guys. Head, shoulders. And then ito yung neckline niya bago siya break out to the upside. So inverse head and shoulder, guys. That's what that's called. Same thing with regular head and shoulders. The shampoo. Nah, I'm kidding. It's okay to just leave those XRP units in Binance, or should I transfer secure wallet while I'm holding? You can, kasi depende kung how many XRP you hold. If it's more than 500 to 1000 XRP, transfer it to your own wallet. Kasi Binance have your keys, yung key phrases, yung I think it's like 12 to 13 words yata yun. And then, so if Binance have your keys, then let's say pag may hacker and nahack nila ang Binance, makukuha nila yung coins mo. So, it's important na i-transfer mo lahat sa sarili mong wallet. Kasi, for example, ang ginagamit ko ngayon is Exodus. It looks like, let me show you what it looks like. Exodus. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ito sa Pilipinas, pero, here's what I use, guys. Exodus is a crypto wallet. You can pretty much have a mobile app, or you can download via Windows or whatever PC you have. And they support a lot of crypto. So whatever crypto you have, they support it. And you can transfer. This is what I did. I transfer every single asset na I own dito sa crypto, except the ones that I'm day trading. And then you create your own key, and then make sure na you save your keys. Don't lose it. All right, don't lose it, guys. Don't lose your keys. If you can, remember them. Pero, don't save it on your phone or save it on your computer. Don't just write it down and put it in your wallet. Put it somewhere safe. Kasi if ever na, let's say, may holding ka ng XRP, tapos one day, XRP goes to $10,000, and then, nawala yung key phrase mo. Hala. Maraming, may narinig akong yung mga story na nawala yung nila, nawala yung tawag dito, yung key phrase nila, hindi nila mahanap. So may millions of dollars na sila. So it sucks. It's not a good feeling, guys. Oh, BTC days, yes. Next time is gonna be XRP days, right? Oh, sayang nga eh. So wag mong iwan yung mga XRP units mo sa sa wallet lang. Pero it depends on you kasi um kung nagti-trade ka, like let's say whether if it's day trading or swing trading. Day trading is like, you're constantly trading for the whole day, diba? Swing trading is you're jumping in today, tapos you're gonna sell maybe tomorrow or the next day. Yan ang swing trading. You're gonna swing it. No matter if it goes like, you're waiting for it to go up a lot, right? So, itattoo mo na lang. Yeah. So, depende sa'yo. Kung nagtitrade ka lagi, iwan mo na lang sa sa Binance, for example. Yeah, iiyak ka to sure. But yeah, guys, if you're long-term holder like me, iwan mo lang sa wallet. Forget about it. Buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip. Let's look at some news. Let's see anong nangyayari sa news ngayon. Let's see. Let's go down to technicals is pretty strong. Meron din may mga nagte-tech analysis din ng XRP. Pero I don't look at too much of their technical analysis kasi I like my own. Strict parents. Let's see here. Let's look at this one. Always read the news, guys, para alam nyo din yung nangyayari sa in the world of XRP. Hold on. Okay. How do I tell these people to join? Wait lang, guys. I'm looking at the Discord real quick. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, we are giving away marami kaming giveaway actually. If you're not in the Discord, look it up. We have it should be on the pinned messages. The first giveaway is all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. We're giving away $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month. So you have until now and the end of the month to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the month, we are giving away $100 of XRP. And then on the Discord, we were talking about giving away. I haven't really thought about what yet, but I know it's gonna be crypto. But whoever refers the most friends or family, even yung favorite stripper mo, to my channel and they subscribe, whoever, they have to comment somewhere on the video your name, I guess, and the most names Um, so like for example, if Josh refers the most friends, all his friends are saying, "Oh, si Josh po nag-referral sa akin, blah blah blah." Josh could win, something, right? And the the goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. um, the goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Also, I guess this month. So I'll be doing multiple giveaways at the end of the month. It's gonna be good. If we hit the goal, it's gonna be a really big surprise. Pag hindi, okay lang din. Pero mas maganda pag na-hit natin yung goal. Yeah, Ripple's winning streak. So ang mangyayari sa Ripple XRP versus the SEC lawsuit is they're just gonna come out with a settle. Mga millions of dollars. Kasi mga lawyers lang na bayad nila sa mga lawyers 3.5 million dollars yata. So check the prices, check the price action. Usually I like to just go by the chart and find out where the price is at. If it's pag malapit siya sa support, doon ako bibili. Always buy support and sell resistance. If you're trading, day trading, swing trading, sell resistance, buy the support, and do it over and over. Repeat, guys. Let's go back to charts. Where's my charts? There it is. Nasaan ang XRP? For date. Okay, there we go. So it's still undecided. Honestly, swing trading, it really depends. So for example, kung dito ka nag-jump in sa price na to, so let's say you buy here and you swing traded, this lasted at least April 11, so mga 3 or 4 days. It just depends. Kung price target mo is $2, so if you jump in right here, you're gonna have to wait from April 7 all the way to I don't know araw na sa Sabado 17. So it's up to you to determine kung gusto mo mag-swing trade for a couple days. Basta may profit ka nakikita, okay lang yan. Minsan mas malaki ang profit ng swing traders kasi naghihintay na lang sila until tumaas talaga yung crypto bago sila mag-sell. Day traders, ang ginagawa nila is they wait for a breakout, kind of like yung nangyari dito right here. Retest, entry point right here. Dito sila bumibili, tapos dito sila nagbebenta right here. Day trading, that's at least 4-hour candles, right? So 4 hours. So 4 hours. Yeah. That's all day waiting. Day trading. Almost for all day, all night, almost. But, pwede mong gamitin yung, where is it at? Yung long position. If I can find it. There it is. So, you can set your long position and your stop loss dito, for example, kung gusto niyo matutong mag-day trade, you can learn how to automatically set this up. Sa Binance, meron to sa spot trading. Entry point right here in the middle. Pwede mong iset yung stop loss mo and then take profit ka dito. Automatic na yan, ha? See? So, leverage sa crypto or sa stock? Let's see. Oh, sa crypto. So, hindi ko pa natatry yan kasi para ba sa futures yan? What is leverage? Refers to how much position was increased by, for instance, 100x 1 to 100. Leverage will increase $500 Bitcoin position to as big as $50,000 position. Yung 5x and 10x leverage. I guess the positive and the negative, you can lose a lot of money, you can make a lot of money. It really just depends. Yeah, hindi ko naman hindi ako masyadong nagte-trade ng mga ganun. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon kasi minamanage ko yung risk ko. The lower the risk for me, the better. So, just buying and selling is my, I don't know, is what works. Kasi it's like, if you buy something, like let's say bumili ka ng XRP ngayon, like the price is $1.67 na. So to manage your risk, don't sell it if it goes down back to $1.45. Just don't sell it. Like, isipin mo na tataas pa rin yan. So you only lose if you sell. What's your preferred time frames when looking charts? I like looking, I don't know, for some reason my favorite is 4 hours. The only reason I change from time frame to time frame is para makita ko lang yung support and resistance niya. Risk management, yes. Let's look at other coins. So take a look at this one. This is GTO. Broke through this support up here, and now it's in the last support, but seems like this last support is pretty strong because there is another indecision candle right here, right? So ang mangyayari dito is gonna go up, retest this resistance. It's now becoming resistance. Retest that resistance. If it breaks that resistance again, it's gonna bounce off this line again, and it's probably eventually gonna make its way up. But if this fails to hold, it's gonna go down, probably right down here, back to 6 cents. That is GTO. Magka-crash BTC kaliwa. Hindi right away, guys. It's gonna take time. BTC will crash first. Tapos magrarally lahat ng altcoins to all-time high. And then eventually it's gonna crash. Yes. So that's what's gonna happen. So usually BTC crash first and then lahat ng altcoins. So all the altcoins follow. Follow Bitcoin, and then altcoins rally last, and then eventually crash. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, sorry, I was looking at something, guys. I was trying to find the chart to see the last rally when Bitcoin crashed, and then I think it's right here. Let's see, Bitcoin January 2018, $20,000. But then, where's altcoins? Nahanap ko pa rin yung charts. I think it's this one, yeah. BTC, LTC. Well, I'll find it and I'll show you guys on the Discord. Mga kailan, coach? So need to take profit pala before crashing. Matagal pa. Kaka-start lang ng ng bull cycle. Kaka-start lang. Bitcoin will reach a lot higher prices. Bitcoin will reach a lot higher prices. Especially na ngayon kasi lahat ng institutional binibili ng Bitcoin ngayon. For example, PayPal, Tesla, pwede ka nang bumili ng Tesla with Bitcoin, right? 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to 1 Tesla or something like that. MicroStrategy, marami nang bumibili ng Bitcoin ngayon. Ini-integrate na nila sa financial system. So, matagal pa bumagsak ang Bitcoin. Iba na yung time ngayon 2021. 2021 is pretty much the cryptocurrency era, the beginning of 2017 was the beginning, but it's not until now that institution is recognizing yung power ng crypto. Pero medyo behind ng USA. Medyo behind. China is leading the way. Asia, let me say Asia is leading the way. Baba na po yung XRP. No, it's just it's just consolidating, or not consolidating. It's just there's always sellers. There's always sellers taking profits. Depende kung how much, but right now it's not big volume. Look at this right here, and the volume down here below is not that big. So don't worry about it. It's gonna keep going up. It's likely to crash pala. Yeah, not right now. Matagal pa. Price target ng mga ibang tao sa BTC is 100k, 300k. So, but we have a whole year. So you're gonna see big drops. May mga malaking correction na makikita mo sa Bitcoin, XRP. Pero it's not that, it's not gonna be that crazy. It looks scary, but it's healthy. Kailangan talaga ng mga ganun. Ganun din sa stock market. Pero the stock market is not as volatile as crypto is. You guys want to see some stock market? Stock market. Let's see what the stock market look like. All-time high. You see that? Pataas ng pataas. So let me give you guys a little history on the stock market real quick. Here in the US, this is when COVID-19 happened. Later. So 2020 February or somewhere around there. This is the biggest and the fastest drop that ever happened in history dito. And then nag-bottom siya dito, tapos it went up. It took a while right here. There's a lot of up and downs. Pero may correction. So every time na it goes up above this line right here, it has a correction. And then it goes up again above the line, correction again, double correction, and then it's going up. And right here, what I'm looking for is another rally to the top, and then I'm waiting for a big correction para makabili ulit ng mga Apple stock, Tesla stock. Tignan nyo Tesla, oh. Galing kaya ng Tesla. $3,000 yata yung pinakamalaking price ng Tesla. But yeah. So, how's the Philippines? How's the weather? Let's see here. Let's look at some more. Sino nakabili ng Alpha? Anybody? Good weather. Nice. Dito beginning pa lang. Spring break pa lang dito. So Alpha, yesterday somebody asked me if Alpha was good. Yes, definitely right here. So it's trading within the support right here. The price target for Alpha, once it break out of this triangle, is $3.44. TRX. So that the other day, sabi ko kailangan tayo mag-close above this box. Bullish yan. So it went up, it bounced off that box, like I said, and then now it just got to break out of this big resistance. So that's what it's experiencing right now, but I think it can break it. It's been bouncing this support right here. So let's see here. Sorry, wait lang guys. Where is my... I just have to share this real quick. Uh-oh. Where you at? Where you at? Copy link. There we go. Okay. No, hindi ako nakatulog. I'm just sharing the stream. Pag for the TRX. Good. You can find out the price targets by using Fibonacci extensions or Fibonacci retracements. For example, kind of like this right here. I go all the way down to the bottom. So once na nag-breakout ang TRX or Tron, yeah, TRX, price target niya is 17 cents. Paano po malaman yung mga price target? Coach, just question in Discord kung TP na daw. Oh, let me see. Di pa. Later. Keep holding. Keep holding. Join the live stream. Let me see what else. BTT, man. Anong nangyari? Delete all this. Let me start over. It looks healthy though. It looks good. Magbabounce pa yan. Alright, what's next? ETC, man. Maganda to. ETC. Follows Ethereum a lot. Null Rack. Shoutouts Null Rack. What's up, man? Ooh. 1 USD for 1 TRX. Tagal pa yan, man. Tagal pa yan. There's a lot of hurdles. Yeah, you're looking at $1 is way up here. And you're barely right here. So, a couple years. I would say maybe the next bull cycle baka $1 na yan. Kasi all-time niya, ano yung all-time ng TRX? Matagal pa yan, mga couple years pa. XRP. Zoom out sa ano? Zoom out kayo sa 4-hour chart. Hindi malaki. Oh. Gamitin nyo ang 4-hour chart. Yung drop niya is really small. That's nothing. CHC. Maganda yung CHC, man. It's one of my favorite. Where you at? So, CHC finally waking up. Breakout. Boom. Higher high. Right there. Higher lows. Good sign. Good indicator na tataas ang CHC. Nagre-regret. The background song is just a mixture of different type of music. Walang copyright, so hindi ako I'm not gonna get in trouble. Let's see, what's itignan mo ang graph parang sa shout out to the long term. If you guys haven't got a chance yet, subscribe kayo, like the video. We are giving away $100 of XRP at the end of the month. Bumili ako ng BTT around 8. Benta para 500. Keep holding. Hold your BTT. BTT can definitely move a lot, and it moves big. So hold it. Don't lose money. My can't even talk. My number one rule is don't lose money. Regardless. Thank you. Oo nga, nakaka-relax. Let's see what else. I'm reading more comments real quick. Let's see here. Man, USA is boring. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Sana sa December uwi na ako. Marami pa akong kailangan na doon. Asikasuhin, 'di ba? Tama. Dito tatapos na yung list ko dito. Lilipat agad ulit. Thank you guys for subscribing. But anyways, yeah. Gusto ko lang umuwi. Travel everywhere in the Philippines. Gusto ko maranasan lahat. Man, something to think about. Galing ako sa Morong, na Bataan. Grew up in the fields, man. Sa rice fields. Tiga bundok. From there to here is definitely something to be proud of. Cebu? Oh man, yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna go everywhere. Lahat yan pupuntahan ko. Gusto ko pumunta sa Boracay for some reason. Yeah, tama. Sige ko. Right now, yeah, pwede mong pasok Kasi like I said, price target ng XRP $2 eh. Baka above ng $2 is where XRP is going. Actually, some people are saying XRP will be around $3 next week. But again, manage your risk. Kung kaya mong i-risk yung funds mo, and you can hold out sa mga maliit na drops, just hold out and wait for profit. It really does take some waiting before you see some profits. Let's see what else. Punta ka Cebu. Yeah. Oh. Ano yun? That's another word na hindi ko pa alam. Petmalo? Ano yun? Shout out to my mod. I don't know if he's here today. I think his name is Milo. But yeah, he's been doing a good job while I'm gone. Tama ba ko hindi pa nakakapag-trade? Nakakapag-trade kami. May pa din dito, may supporter ng XRP. May I think dalawa yata yung exchange dito na nice. Merong exchange dito na big supporter of XRP, so hindi nila what do you call that, delisted XRP kasi the SEC wasn't clear about XRP, so the exchanges didn't delist XRP kasi SEC wasn't sure. So Coinbase and Binance and all the other, like I think Kraken and Gemini, sila lang hindi nila dinilist ang XRP. They just halted the trading. Pero marami na din nagre-release ng XRP. Si Josh ba yun? Now I know your real name. Dapat lang real name ang ginagamit natin sa Discord. Hindi yung screen name. What's up, man? How's y'all's family doing? Hope family's healthy, doing good. Mag-buy XRP ngayon. Yeah, long term. You can always buy XRP long term. Right now, it's got about another 2 hours and 30 minutes. Indecision pa yung yung candle niya. Change name. Kana, sir? Let's look at some more. Man, anybody got in on Doge? Look at that. So far, malakas tong resistance na to. Pero it's trying to go up. Resistance here. Kasi dito yung top eh. Resistance here, sellers. Resistance here, sellers. So, once na they go above this, it's gonna go higher. Ang price target ng Doge in the long term is $1. So, kung gusto nyo mag-hold ng Doge, since it's cheap right now, mag-hold lang kayo kasi it's gonna reach $1. Eventually, kasi may utility na din ng Dogecoin. One of the most, or not the most, pero famous siya dito. Big investor siya. Si Mark Cuban. He backs Dogecoin as well. So, if he backs Dogecoin, I would definitely hold it. ADA, pwede rin. Maganda ang ADA ngayon. We were talking about this yesterday. So, here are the scenarios that we were talking about with ADA kahapon. Ito yung trend niya ngayon. Upper trend pa rin siya. Pero may resistance siya dito. So, nakikita mo yung resistance niya dito. Let's zoom in on that one. Para you guys can see it. Right? So, ADA is right here. It was trying to break this resistance. Resistance. Boom. Finally, it broke out. So, breakout alert. It broke out of the resistance, guys. And then remember what I said. If it goes up, it's probably gonna go and touch this. Let me see if I can. Yeah. We'll just make it go like this real quick. Edit that. So, ito yung mangyayari. Since it broke out, it's gonna go up. It broke out of here, gonna go up, and then eventually it's gonna come down again. So, kung magja-jumpin kayo sa ADA, wait for the retest. So, the retest will happen somewhere around here. Let me draw a box for you guys. This is your accumulation period, okay? This is where you accumulate. Right there. Inside this box. Or anywhere around this box. This is where you accumulate ADA. And then, once nag-retest na siya, it's gonna go up. Possible price target is 175, 185, possibly $2 as well. Let's see what else. Step by step kung paano ka po mag-TA. So may video ako dyan sa step by step. Just go to my YouTube channel and look up the most recent video. Pero TA is all about knowing yung yung kandila, I guess, right? Candles. Here, let me zoom in so I can kind of briefly explain candles real quick. So, where is there it is. If you guys want to know about candles, so candles are either red or green. I changed it to white. But they're usually green and red. But anyways, this is the body of the candle. These are the wicks right down here. So for white or green candles, the price opens, let me see here. The price opens right here and it closes right there for the green candles or white candles. So for the red candles, it's the opposite. It opens here and then closes here. Right here. Alright. The wicks is, for example, this one has really long wicks. The wicks is, it means that when the price opened down here, the price went up right there. That means because maraming nagbabay, right? The buyers drove the price up. Pero mga sellers drove the price back down all the way down here. Right? And eventually the buyers pushed the price back up and closed right there. Okay? And since it closed right there, it open here, and sellers push the price again down here, actually all the way down here, and then the buyers push the price up again right there, open again here, close here. So learn your candles, because that tells you what's going on with the prices, right? So that's a bull flag. Watch this. Boom. Oh. Yeah, it's like that. So that's the candle part. And then learn your trends. Kind of like this, for example. You can use support and resistance line. Support right down here. Oh, the support is always down on the bottom. Make sure it touches candles, like the very bottom of the candle. Touch there. Touch there. Touch there. Actually, the minimum that you need is three touches. All right, 3. Same thing sa resistance niya. Right there. So right here was plenty. And eventually it's time to break that resistance, right? Trend line. So you'll know, pretty obvious naman kasi like pag up siya, you can see how it, up it, the way it's going up. Pag down siya, parang ganito. Let me show you guys. Downtrend. This would be a downtrend. Ganyan. So that's the downtrend. Broke out. Went up. Tapos, nag-downtrend ulit. And then, broke out of that downtrend. Straight sideways. Eventually, it was time to go up. And then it went up. So, that's usually how trend works. Anybody on the chat? Let's see. Do you have a question? Join the live stream. Oh, hold on. Let me read some messages. Wait lang guys. I'm just answering a question. All right. Just for you. Yung scalping, paano ko siya ginagawa? So, if you're scalping, what I do is you always draw your lines. So always draw your lines, your trend lines, support line, resistance line, and find out kung nasaan na yung yung price niya. So right here, I would have been scalping around here bago siya mag-breakout. And then pumaba siya, of course. You can always jump in. Marami siyang entry point. Entry point number 2, entry point number 3. Ganon, indicators. Yun lang. I try to focus on simple indicators. Hindi lang, hindi ko ginagamit masyado yung mga yung mga MACD, RSI. Pero kung gusto kong tignan yung mga RSI, it's really easy. So yeah, that's right there. Still pretty healthy. Is using trends advisable also for day trading? Yes. So before you jump into a trade, always check your trend. Check mo lagi yung trend. Mga indicators na ginagamit mo, coach, not effective. You have to read it. Yeah, I mean, once you figure out how to draw yung mga yung mga support and resistance mo, it's all about waiting. Majority of the time, hintay lang. Kasi pag nasa loob pa siya ng triangle, wala ka masyadong makikitang price action. Bakit hindi tumataas? Hindi, bumababa lagi, tapos tumataas. Ganun pa yung price, blah, blah, blah. Like, for example, the range right here was around 48 cents for the longest time. 48 cents right here, February 5th. 48 cents, March 21. Or March 5th. For 1 month, almost 2 months, 48 cents siya. So you always know where it's at in the trend. So in the triangle right here is very important to know where it's at. Kasi baka mag-jumpin ka kasi nakita mo, tumataas siya, tapos biglang bumaba. And then nag-jumpin ka tapos wala kang nakikitang major movement. Parang ganito. It took a long time bago pa maka-recover. Let's see, ilang USD XRP. Hula ko, so XRP at the end of the year. Oh man, I want to say $50. I want to say $50. Pag $50 siya, I'm going home for sure. Uwi na ako sa Pinas. We got about 15 minutes. Guys, remember, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. We have a giveaway that we are doing at the end of the month for $100 worth of XRP. And the most referrals to this channel, the most referrals with your friends mentioning yung pangalan mo, I will give you something. If you are the one who referred the most people, you will get a pretty good. If we hit the 1K subscribers, we will definitely do a big giveaway. Crypto lang. So XRP is still 2 hours away from either going up or consolidating for a couple hours. So I got a news just now. It's not about XRP though. Every founder of a company involving digital asset that is warned by a lawyer that under certain circumstances an asset could be alleged to be a security should be paying attention. Of course, that legal advice does apply to every product or commodity known to man. So maraming nangyayari ngayon. The SEC is cracking down on a lot of cryptocurrencies. Buti na lang, XRP was the very first. And XRP was the very first, so we will be out of the woods. So that means it's a good thing for us XRP holders. And I don't know if you guys know, but sino yung like who's been holding XRP dito? If you've been holding XRP before December of 2020 and you're still holding now, you didn't sell it, may marireceive ka din ng FLR. Alam niyo yung Flare Network. Now FLR is worth $2 per share. So if you've been holding XRP before December 2021, I think is the date, you will receive an automatic FLR. Wala. Pero you can still buy it. But because you've been holding XRP before December of last year, you will get FLR via airdrop. So whatever wallet you hold, like if it's Binance, I think Binance is definitely participating in that. So mag-search kayo sa Binance about Flare Network and then just follow the instructions there. May makukuha ka ng FLR. It's now worth $2. Let me see if I can find it. Wala pa. Oh, wait, let me see. Where's my ito. So it's now worth $1.97. So whatever amount of XRP na hawak mo bagong before December, you're gonna get the same amount. So if you held 500 XRP, you will receive a percentage or 500 din ng Spark token. UTO still there. DOT. EOS, Doge at 80 cents or 8 cents. Nice. Ano lang yan ha, meme coin. Pero worth billions. BTT is still holding. Let's see, TRX looking good still. It's getting ready. It's getting ready to jump. Let's see here. So this is a good sign. Before we go, guys, this is the last thing we're gonna look at here is the total market cap for the altcoins. It's going up. That's a good sign for XRP. So that means as long as this is going up, XRP is gonna go up as well. BTC, if this goes down lower than 175, that would mean where's my so that it's sitting at 53% right now. If it goes any lower than that, it's a good thing for the altcoins. So XRP has a sign of it going up, and all the other coins as well. That's why you see Dogecoin rallying, a lot of coins rallying at the moment. Pay attention. BNB, I wouldn't jump on BNB no more. It's too late. It's too late for BNB. Wait for a correction on BNB. Has to come down. I feel like BNB will go all the way down here again to retest that support, as well as right here. Actually, you could go right here first. $475. That's how low I feel a big correction would be for BNB. That would be at least 25% drop. Sometimes it can go as long as 30% drops. 30% drop would be around right there. Perfect. Kita nyo dyan. Let's see. So if you guys want to go in on BNB, I would suggest waiting. So guys, reminder to like and subscribe to the video. We have a giveaway that we are doing, $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month, and we are gonna be live. 600 plus ang entry mo. Paano yun nangyari? Kakajumpin mo lang? Stuck ako sabihin. You're gonna have to wait. You have to wait. You're gonna have to wait until it keep going up. So as long as Bitcoin, I'll tell you this, as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, you'll be alright. Bitcoin, man. Na-predict natin to sa sa Discord. Check the Discord, look at the Bitcoin chart na ginawa namin. We predicted this right there. Kasi support niya, ayan. Support niya. Sabi namin mag-ano yan. Tataas pa yan. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Philippine time. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys again bukas. And kung may questions lang kayo, join the Discord and ask away. We're always talking about crypto there all day. Some minsan all night. We will always have, great, learning, I guess. Nothing new. But if you guys like to learn about, trading, you guys are welcome to join our Discord channel, join the live stream. Pretty much that's it, guys, and I'm gonna end the live stream now. Thank you guys again so much for being here. We'll see you on the Discord channel or